we have a gym in the building. I can I could just start coming here, like, and I was anyway coming to gym for workout on and off, like, over the weekend, sometimes during the day. But then I realized that I really need a mentor. I really need a coach who can train me, who can help me train my mind and my body every single day. And I did not find the I just could not. My life in Mumbai did not allow me to take out that 1 hour during the day for my workout. So but still I knew that I need to do something about this. Like, I cannot keep complaining about the challenges and then not do anything about it. So I finally started to look for a trainer, and I found one who said that during the day, like, from 6 to evening, he doesn't have time, but he can certainly take a session with me at 5 a.m. in the morning. Which at first, like, I just knew that I will not be able to survive, because I sleep only at around 1 o'clock, 1:30 at the midnight, and then how will I wake up in 3 hours and start to work out? But I just wanted to give it a try, because again, I know myself that if I put my heart and soul into something, I would be able to do it. And that's how I started. Effectively from, I think, 17th of January, I started getting up at 4:30 in the morning. And my trainer helped me, because he used to call me at 4:30. He would again call me at 4:45 to make sure that I have gotten up, and then I'm getting ready for the gym. Then I'll make sure to reach gym by 5 a.m. because he will be here. And then I worked out from I was working out from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. with him. Then I'll do some meditation on my own, some mantra jap for 15 minutes or so. That will help me keep my mind calm, and then I'll start my day. No, the best part was, because I was not able to complete my sleep in the at night, so I will go back and then again sleep for 1.5 hours or so, and then I get up and I'll start my normal day. So this is how I have been, I have been dealing with this, maintaining a schedule of working out. Even though I find it very hard, sometimes I feel I'm just sleep deprived. I have not slept well for, like, months now. But I know this is just temporary. Once once it becomes my habit, to just not skip a workout, then I know I'll take out time for, and now I'm already doing that. I am taking out time for workout, no matter what, unless and until I am traveling outside the city. I'll make sure I tell my trainer that I am available for workout, and then I just do it. You have been already following me in my journey since last 2.5 months, and I can definitely assure you that I am going to put my videos, workout routine every single day, because I love it. It is like I'm using my workout account, this Instagram channel, as my daily journal, where I just, like, when I work out, I'll just take a help of my trainer to record some of my workouts, and I'll just put it in a nice reel and just put it out on the Instagram. It is my way of journaling and acknowledging my own effort, and that is how I appreciate myself. So I'll continue to do that. Keep supporting me in my journey. It really feels good when you tell me that my videos inspire you. And yeah, so that's it. That's all about my journey of 2.5 months. And all I can say to all the ladies watching me, like, if you ever watch this video, no matter what, like, कुछ भी life में चल रहा है, like, any problem that you are going through with anyone in your life, working out in the gym, strength training, your functional training, that 1 hour will just erase or eliminate 50 to 60% of your problems. Trust me.